Today we're at 13717 Victory Bay, and today I want to give you an in-depth video tour walkthrough where I can go a little deeper answering your questions about this home. So I want to start right here outside about some of the best features of this home. Number one, it's on a cul-de-sac street. Number two, it backs up to a private tree-lined common area. And number three is the neighborhood association pool. So with that being said, let's go inside and check it out. From the moment you walk in the door, you'll start noticing some of the really nice updates that have been done in this home. Light fixtures, some added trim work, and then we have this really nice engineered hardwood floor all throughout this main level. So we walk into the great room with these great tall vaulted ceilings, the tall windows, and I really love the trim work that they added to update the fireplace feature. And this is a gas fireplace, so literally with the flip of a switch, you get the ambiance and the warmth of the fireplace all winter long. The entire kitchen area has been totally renovated with quartz countertops, tile backsplash. They refaced all of the cabinetry, and then we have stainless steel appliances that are gonna stay with the sale of the property. Now this actually might be my favorite feature of the house, and it's this four-season room. You've got this beautiful tree-lined lot, so this is a heated space that you can enjoy all year round out here with your family. So here we are in the primary suite. We've got a tall vaulted ceiling. We've got ceiling fan with light fixtures, and we're walking now into the totally renovated master bathroom suite with a double vanity sink. I really love these classic tile floor and then a beautiful tile shower. So the primary bedroom is down there on the main level. Up here we have 3 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom for the kids and the guests. And actually we're walking back into here, what used to be a loft area, but has been converted into that 4th bedroom. And that brings us here below ground to the basement level. Just on this other side of this door, it houses your mechanicals, your sump pump, and storage area. But in the main area, we have clean, dry, finished basement space. You have 2 unique living spaces here in the basement that you can utilize for whatever your heart's desire. And then here in the backyard, we've got this nice stone paver patio. And the best part about this lot and location is that we're backing up to this private tree-lined common area. You have so much privacy. You've got a lot of trees. You might have to pick up some leaves in the fall, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it seeing these colors change and having this privacy on your lot. Now, I promised you a pool and pickleball. Falcon Creek neighborhood has their own neighborhood association pool, and Victory Bay took it upon themselves to put their very own pickleball court right here in the middle of the cul-de-sac. So is this home the right one for you? I hope to help you find out. Give me a call to schedule your private tour today.